Thank you for sharing your thoughts and tips with Bright Stars to Real Estate Success. To get started, type the username and password, which was assigned to you. Once complete, click Login. You are now in the submission form. There are 3 short sections you will need to complete. Under the first section, Your Info, type your full name, phone number, and email address. Note, your agency name is optional. The second section, Your Entry, is where you will write the content for the book. You can use around 85 words per thought. The third and final section requires you to agree to the no plagiarism agreement. If you agree, click on the check box and then Submit button to finalize your submission. Congratulations, your submission is complete. You can submit as many thoughts as you desire by repeating the same steps, but keep in mind that only one will be included in the book. Thank you.